Hey guys, today let's try to fix Messenger Notes music option not showing. So if you want to go ahead and have the new Messenger Notes music function, we can actually go ahead and double check if we have the latest version of Messenger installed on our device through the App Store. So go on over and launch the App Store and search for the Messenger application, making sure as well that you have the latest version of this application downloaded on your device. Once that is done, we could also make sure as well that the update is also present with other users. So going over on some social media platforms like, let's say, X or the Threads application should also give you some updates from other users if they also have this function available on their device or on their application already. If they do not have it yet though, this may only mean that this new feature or new function has not been rolled out to every device and also on every update, so you might need to go ahead and wait a little more until this update has been rolled out to every device in every country. Essentially, that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and take care.